Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Nissan Rogue S in gunmetal. With LED headlamps, brake assist, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINOCJD.com, stock number 9086A.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.